Yo, me no know if call Dewy no. It's like how people them call Queenie Yamed. Me feel like them fi call Dewy Akam. You know Akam I just beer while and no beer no food. Yeah man, Dewy are one of them person. For right now, me swear say Dewy and Momo. Wagwan, one of them and welcome to Sandy and Bones TV. I know say me swear say Dewy and Momo when they together. But all a go on and them thing that just a little sham thing, you see it. Dewy a real bait no, me not tell no lie no. You see it and Momo they are style him so we have that video they forward up in you see it. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. You see it. Yeah man, but do we a big puppet show? Me not tell no lies still. Momo they are expose something about him, you see me? Yeah man, so we forward and go hear what Momo I say, yeah man.
Sunflower. I'm quite confused. Let me just go on drive. I'm just quite confused that. Like, I don't understand how people be in their feelings. You understand what I'm saying? And my thing is, because, you know, do you block me, right? But I don't know if you throwing subs at me. But if you throwing subs, I don't do subs. You got to talk direct, baby, and we could really have a conversation. Because I said what I said. I don't never have to lie. But y'all niggas, y'all gotta be men out here. Y'all gotta stop being in y'all feelings and shit. You know what I'm saying? Or I sucked you, or I touched you a certain way, and you could be in your feelings. But in 1.5 miles, don't ever get in your feelings. Big up yourself, Onyx. Now I say hello to you too, Onyx, because you're a mellow woman. I think you're a mellow woman.
Okay, you know.
Yeah. Mellow. Miller, I always
No,
think
go back
somebody
to
has a fear
your
woman. So
subject
I
and
don't
allow
want to say
my
hello to you
subject.
too tough. You understand, beautiful? So just go on with the road. You hear me? Yeah, so thank you. So I did my interview, but I'm just wondering, Dewy, I don't know if you throwing subs at me, nigga, in that last thing, because I want to talk about it. And you don't want me to start talking because you know I talk real shit. So the best thing you could do, honestly, is just sit this shit out gracefully because you really have no problem, no way to be mad, no way to be in your feelings. I said what I said. It is what it is. I did a good interview. Cause then they said pussy them I got flapping at them one show. Cause people have screenshot and send it to me. You understand? I don't know what you trying to say. You gotta articulate your words differently and talk to me direct. You know that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas act like the new bitches. Y'all looking for women to take care of y'all. Y'all in y'all emotions. Y'all lost. Y'all don't know what yourselves. Just don't bring that energy over here. Cause I think I keep it respectful. But when niggas try to play with me and I'm not playing with them, I'm gonna have to put you in your place. I'm a real G. I could never get in my feelings over crazy over dick that's not mine. You know how much times I ride a dick and I start falling in love with the dick because you know I'm gonna love the dick first. As soon as I see that it really ain't mine, like I can't get it when I want it, I don't want that shit. That's what they say. I love a nigga for 3 weeks. I love everybody. But gotta chill with the subs, my nigga, because I'm getting confused. When you got people asking me and sending me that shit like you throwing word at me, nigga, you gotta hit direct. Because I don't want to get into the nitty gritty. Because you're not about that life, nigga. You're really not about that life. Just go ahead and entertain the people. Get some songs like I told you. I already said don't get attached to nobody. Right now, what's up, Goody? Oh, you talking to Mello though. But like I said that to you weeks ago. Like focus on yourself. Don't get too caught up with anybody's name. You just was under one of the biggest names ever. You're always going to be known as that person's husband. We are not the same. You know what I'm saying? No matter what bitch deal with you, you're going to be known as that person's husband because that's how you branded yourself. And I told you weeks ago, yo, bro, don't even get attached to me. Brand yourself. Do your music the way I do. So for me, I throw some span. Just say it so we can just get festive and done. Because you talk about program, people program you all the time because you've been telling me, oh, people say you can turn for me. There's nothing for me and you to turn on, nigga. We really ain't into nothing. The fuck are you talking about? I seen you in a situation, and I stood my ground, which you seen that. Made niggas look at light, so I need to know if you subbing me. The only thing I did was turn around and really like heavy. He's a gentleman, and his dick is good. You understand what I'm saying? He really, he really hold me down. You know what I'm saying? He really takes me. That nigga never asked me for money. You understand what I'm saying? Y'all niggas is running to Western Union and MoneyGram every day. Don't play with me, Dewy. So behave yourself. If anybody know you know me. Y'all niggas wanna be in y'all feelings, bro. Y'all can't be in y'all feelings. He's a gentleman. He's a bad man gentleman. Come on. Yo, and that's what I'm saying. Sometimes you go around niggas. Like the last nigga that I was with, I met him through a friend, and the friend ended up turning on me, getting jealous. It happens all the time. But I'm just saying in this case, because you scared to go places by yourself because of Queenie. So let's talk about that shit. You know what I'm saying? Because me a bad girl, nobody can make me run up and down. That's just a fact of a matter. About 1 mile, turn right. Yeah, no, I'm delivering them. That's just the fact of the matter. Solid. There's certain anybody who knew me knew it was that's the first storyline I ever did in my life because I was feeling good. So I need to know if he throwing words at me. He need to talk direct. Cause I would never. I'm just that ass. Nigga. I was around you, I realized I would never. I never play with you like that. You ain't never hear me say, yeah, I'm gonna rub you down, you're gonna feel my throat. None of that shit. Never. So I need to know if you subbing to help you out in front of the world because you was running from a woman and shit. Yeah, she's a tyrant, Queenie. You understand? When she get mad, that's why I don't even get mad when y'all talk about, oh, mama, go do your work. So mama, younger queen. I don't. She's a tyrant, nigga, but I know I stand on my own. But you see what I deal with? You play with me? Because I don't know why you and your... There's no me. Say you want to block. Why you block your friend? Because your friend was trying to, like, nigga, check you and let you know, like, you. That's what friends are for. If a friend's agree, you're going to be like, yo, you need to fix up this or do that or ray. You understand? It is what it is. It is what it is. But I just need to know if you subbing me, Dewy, and let's go. Because I got a little time this week. I'm back home. I got a little time. Now, one thing, pay attention. Look up to look at Niga's interview. Pay attention to the reels. Let me show you how this shit works. Pay attention to the reels. Niggas put up the thing about me and Dewy, whatever, and Queenie. That shit only have 300K thing on it, right? Me talking about my throat, breathing through my ears have like 7, and we almost like away from 250,000 views off of that shit. I don't need soul or clout, nigga. I am the clout. I know when to how to make a room move. I know when to do what I want to do because I really don't give a fuck. You worried about numbers and clout? That's what you came into this industry doing. Me, bills, I love money. I gotta pay $17,000 to IRS. That's the bill. That's the shit that I work on. That's what the shit that I'm working on. I'm dying for them to audit and review and give me my money. I don't have time to play with y'all. Like me, I'm not even gonna get into depth. I just need you to let me know if it's me you subbing, call name, or if I see you up, matter of fact, because it's me you're talking to. But that's not got to deal with your wicked. Because I never did nothing to you. The only thing we do is fuck your friend. Remember some of brawling. I belongs to nobody. I can't do whatever. I can't say who me I touch. I can't say anything no that second. Nobody can program me. But you have to take program. You take program from a whole bunch of crazy. But you're the outside, I get it. I'm gonna make boy come take my hard-earned money. You think say me I got the music I run up and down past stage? Y'all make me sick too, nigga. Here breathing for whatless niggas. Y'all some man is supposed to be a man. They grow up and be queens and princesses. I like from his fake page. He could have did it brawling and we could have had a conversation since he wanted those shots. You know what I'm saying? But you like y'all be queens and princesses. I grew up to be Grizzlies, Dewy. You know it was funny, boy. Ah! From my letter, you gotta be solid to some type of degree, even if I ain't gonna stay with it. Even if I want to move or something in him. But what's him if I not say I bitch nigga? Come on, bro. Now you throwing subs at me? You throwing subs at me, Dewy? And then I want to, cause you know I'm kind of tight, cause I feel like you feel some type of way, cause you blocked your friend too. You made Queenie nigga and that nigga. Dewy, you're a pussy, bro. You're scared to go outside with you. That shit is weird, and like, you don't want me to start talking. So what I was saying is, just let me know if you subbing me now. Remember, I don't have no emotional attachment to you. I'm not emotional. You were my friend. That's what I thought. You got in your bag when you started moving funny. We was watching you, bro. You started like you was catching the attitude. Remember the first time I flew down? You tried to tell on me, like when you knew I was with your friend, and you know you want to tell him, oh, the boss man is here blocking, telling him about the other shit. Oh, the boss man, damn. Yeah, like immaculate pussy. I could never give my pussy to a nigga like you. Are you crazy? Hey, yo, Dewy, you trying to snitch me